If you've ever wondered what the pros know that you don't when it comes to trading strategies, then stick around, because today I'm going to be sharing 5 trading strategies straight from some of the best minds on the planet. Now make sure you stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to be sharing a book with you that has inspired this video, that has turned ordinary traders into phenomenal traders. So let's get stuck in. The first common strategy that traders use to make money is a trend following strategy. Okay, this is a really common one. It's all about riding the wave, and when the market is moving strongly in one direction, that's when you want to ride that wave. Think of it as following the herd, following the flow, letting the trend do the heavy lifting. And although it's a simple concept, the challenge with that one is sticking with it through the ups and downs. People get in too late or too early, and that causes them to have problems consistently trading it. The next one is mean reversion. Now this is a very, very common strategy. It's about looking for those moments where the market looks too stretched, either too high or too low, and then you're betting that it will snap back to a more balanced level as it approximates the mean growth over time. So really, this is all about spotting when things have gone a bit too far in one direction or the other. And once you can identify that, it's about then capitalizing on that correlation. Strategy number 3 is a breakout trading strategy. Now I trade breakout strategies on some of my pairs, and they're very, very powerful if you can get them right. It's about catching those moments when price breaks out of a range and then moves sharply, rapidly in a new direction. So the idea is that you wait for the breakout and then you jump in for the ride. Now you either wait to trade the breakout as it breaks out, or you wait for a breakout and pullback and then you get in on the pullback. The problem with breakout strategies is they are very, very hard to develop. Rules can be very, very subjective, and it takes a lot of work to get those right. Number 4 is a swing trading strategy. So swing trading involves looking out for medium to longer term moves. Swing trading is ideal for traders who don't want to be staring at the charts all day, or can't, because they'll be inconsistent if they do. And we all know that trading is all about consistency, so swing trading does suit newer traders for sure. Over the years, I've gone more into swing trading because I want to do less at the charts and enjoy my freedom and flexibility. Number 5 should have a warning, and that is scalping. Scalping is quick, small trades aiming for small profits. So high volume of trades, low profits. And it's all about making those small wins add up over time. It's fast paced, and I would say that you need to beware, because there are people out there selling scalping systems saying get in 1 pip, out 2 pips and all this kind of stuff. When you look at the spread, and the spread's 2 pips on the pair, which means it's costing you more to get in than you're going to make on the trade. And that's crazy. That's just basically preying on the uninitiated, on people who don't know what they're doing.
If you're going to go into scalping, you better have a large account and you better be right a lot.
Otherwise, stay away from scalping and leave it to the people who can handle it. Now, here is the secret, right? After years of studying the greats and teaching myself these strategies, and some of these strategies have been featured in this book, Market Wizards by Jack Schwager, what I found is none of these strategies will make you money on their own. It's not about the strategy, it's about you. And that's the common theme of all of the interviews in this book. You can hand a winning strategy to 100 traders and most of them will fail. Why? Because they don't have the consistency and they don't have the discipline or the mindset to execute it properly. In this book, Market Wizards, almost every successful trader talks about the real battle is in your mind. One trader in particular, Paul Tudor Jones, he said that he spends as much time working on his mindset as he does his trading strategy. Think about that. Also in the book, Bruce Kovner, he emphasized the importance of cutting losses quickly and letting winners run, which is a very difficult thing to do. It's easy to say, but it's very difficult in practice. And one of the traders, Richard Dennis, he said you could literally publish rules of your trading strategy in a newspaper, but nobody would follow them because they all lack mental toughness. And the common theme in this book is there's millions of ways to make money in the markets. Every single one of them struggled and lost it all and then made it back. And it's not about the strategy, it's the mindset. The mindset trumps the method. Now, before I give you the key takeaway here, let me know in the comments what your preferred trading style is, and I'll do a full-blown video dedicated to that trading style. But here's the key takeaway of this video. don't obsess over finding the perfect strategy. Focus on becoming the best trader that you can be. Work on your discipline, work on your craft, master your emotions, and most important of all, no matter what, be consistent. You'll find that you can make money with any strategy as long as you're willing to put in the work and stick with it. So if that's you, hit the like button, let me know in the comments that you're going to stick with it. Type into the comments right now, Market Wizard. And if you want to learn more about these strategies and how to develop a strategy, go and check out my other videos, particularly Trading for Beginners series. And I'll put a ton of links for all of my other videos that include strategies that I trade myself, and you can go and watch them now and learn them. Until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.